Hi guys, this is Shey, and behind the camera is L.A. and we are Los Boris on the road. And I'm just gonna give you a little tour of our camper SUV. Follow me. So of course, empezamos por la cama. We have a 6-inch foam mattress, super comfy, and that's it for the bed. This is my side, and on my side we have the mirror, of course. And we have 2 SUV fans and these little lights that are powered with our remote control, which is somewhere in here. On this side we have the other fan, and we also added some greens just to give it a little more homey feel. Here is our pantry, or pretty much garage, pantry, everything you can fit in there. Una de las cosas que tenemos is this collapsible sink, pretty cool. And here we have board games, Uno, cards. We have our little hamaca. Thank you, Glory. We also have some fire logs and chairs and plenty of stuff back there. And the most exciting part, which is the kitchen. We have a little bit of everything: plates, cups, collapsible bowls, greca. You need this, right? You need this in your life. Tostonera, hello, you need this for sure. Y el caldero. This glowy thingy. First aid kit and all the utensils you need to cook, and our portable gas stove. We need a bigger one because of course we're always cocinando, so yeah. And behind the driver's side, follow me, our extended part of the garage in this area, like batteries, hooks, straps, you name it, it's there. And here we have our closet. Everything is in packing cubes, toallas. Super cool toallas. Thank you for the sponsor of the toallas. Thank you, Mom. And back here we put everything that is extremely bulky, like jackets, sweaters, colchas, whatever. We made this window covers using Reflectex and gray in the front, like towards our side, and then black towards the outside. We just have some Velcros there. And that's it for this side. Oh, one more thing. We made this screen thingy for the windows thanks to a video on YouTube using gutter covers and patio screen mesh and Gorilla Type. And this is how you put it on. You just do this, put it there, put the window up, and there you have it. Añadimos esta blackout cortinas con este shower rod, and we can close everything for privacy at night. And here is our toilet. We use it for emergencies. There's a bucket down here. You just put a bag and you know what to do. Here we have our Halo battery that powers our phones, cameras, and fans as well. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for spending some time with us, and remember, subscribe, like, and share if you want to help us out, and follow us for more adventures on the road.